Hello everyone, welcome back to Crazy Cars. Today, we're diving into a classic reborn, the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. Before we get started, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of our latest car reviews. Alright, let's jump straight into it. The 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia brings back the charm of the iconic classic with a modern twist. Volkswagen has crafted a retro-inspired coupe that captures the vintage vibes of the original Karmann Ghia while integrating today's technology and comfort. The 2026 Karmann Ghia is a head-turner, no doubt. Volkswagen has blended retro elements with contemporary design language, delivering a sleek yet nostalgic look. The front end features rounded LED headlights with chrome accents, a wide grille with a vintage-inspired VW emblem, and smooth lines running along the body. The sloping roofline and flared fenders pay homage to the classic design, while 19-inch alloy wheels and optional two-tone paint jobs add a modern flair. From the rear, the car continues to impress. It has oval-shaped LED taillights, a subtle ducktail spoiler, and a clean bumper design. The dual exhaust tips give it a sporty edge without overdoing it. Inside, the 2026 Karmann Ghia offers a fusion of retro styling and modern amenities. The dashboard features round analog-style vents, a minimalist center console, and leather upholstery with contrast stitching. There's a healthy dose of tech too, a 10.1-inch infotainment system with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and VW's latest software interface. Seating is comfortable, with heated and ventilated front seats and a decent amount of space in the rear for a coupe. The cargo space isn't massive, but it's sufficient for weekend getaways or a quick grocery run. The 2026 Karmann Ghia is available with two engine options. The base model features a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine that produces 250 horsepower and 273 pound-feet of torque. If you want more punch, there's an optional 3.0-liter V6 hybrid powertrain delivering 350 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque. Both engines are paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, offering smooth and responsive shifts. The car's handling is agile, thanks to its lightweight chassis and well-tuned suspension. Whether you're cruising down the highway or taking on twisty backroads, the Karmann Ghia feels planted and engaging. Volkswagen has packed the Karmann Ghia with modern features. The digital driver's display is crisp and customizable, and the infotainment system is intuitive to use. You get a premium sound system, wireless charging, ambient lighting, and even a heads-up display in the top trim. Safety features are plentiful, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. On the road, the Karmann Ghia feels lively and enjoyable. The turbocharged engine offers brisk acceleration, and the hybrid option adds an extra layer of power and efficiency. Steering feedback is precise, and the suspension strikes a balance between comfort and sportiness. The coupe also features selectable drive modes, allowing you to switch between eco, comfort, sport, and custom settings. The hybrid model offers an EV mode for short distances, adding to its versatility. The 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia is expected to start around $45,000 for the base model, while the hybrid version could push into the $55,000 range with all the bells and whistles. Overall, the Karmann Ghia is a blend of vintage style and modern functionality. It's perfect for those who appreciate classic design but don't want to compromise on technology and performance. If you're looking for a stylish coupe that stands out on the road, the Karmann Ghia is definitely worth considering. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Crazy Cars. Let me know in the comments what you think about the new Karmann Ghia. Until next time, drive safe and take care.